We've seen their pictures, we've heard their stories, but what about their real voices? Let's explore the voices of four legendary figures. The king of silent cinema, Charlie Chaplin, amazed audiences without words. But when he finally spoke in The Great Dictator, his voice changed history.
I'm sorry. I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business.
His theories changed the world, but did you know Einstein's voice was captured too? Here's the man behind the science.
We are concerned here with an act of humanity.
During World War II, Winston Churchill's voice united a nation. His words inspired hope when hope seemed lost.
5 years ago, I promised you blood, toil, tears.
Born without sight or hearing, Helen Keller's voice still inspires. Here's a rare recording of her triumph over silence. From Chaplin to Keller, their voices shape the world and remind us of the power of words. Subscribe for more amazing stories.